Hi everybody, this is the website boy from the websiteboy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make a table. This is a code that's been there for a while, and it's very useful sometimes to do certain things. But anyways, in the bottom of this video here that you're watching, you're gonna have a link to the websiteboy.com. I suggest you click on it if you want to learn the foundations on how to, for example, the foundations of HTML in an organized fashion. Like for example, here this one is going to show you the tools you need for an HTML to follow along, like the editor and among other little things that you need to so you can start doing HTML. But anyways, I'm guessing you already know some HTML a little bit and just want to make a table. Let's start by doing a save as on this document, and let's do a save as called table.html. Let's take this off and start building our table. Hopefully you can see there. So we build a table tag, table. Let me do it. We do it like this, right? But let me do a little faster. I'll wait for you, okay? Table. That's it. All right. Then once you would do the beginning of the table and the ending of the table tag, then we start doing the heading, okay? Table heading, and I'm gonna name this value of first column, okay? And then I'm just gonna copy and paste this one here in the bottom, and it's gonna be the heading of our table, okay? But we need to actually separate this, so we need a table row also. We need to include this in a table row. Table rows separate one column from the other, and after this, all we need is a table data cells, table cells, and this one is going to be value. See, value 1. I'm gonna just repeat this process here, copy and paste again. Oops, what did I do? And of course we will have to separate this into table rows again. All right, a beginning of table row and an ending. Okay, always start table row with a less than symbol and a greater than symbol, and then close, do another one exactly like it, but this one before the tr, always with a forward slash. You should know that by now if you're building a table in HTML. Okay, so now that we have this, let's look at this our browser, right? Let's see how it looks first of all. So we're gonna be looking for the with Command S for Mac or Control S for Windows to save it. Let's go to our Finder and look at this stuff. These are some videos there. So this is not where I need to be. I need to be in Documents, School, HTML. All right. So table. We double click it. And as you can see here, this is a table heading, and these are the values here, and these are the columns separating here. We can also style it so you can notice it more. I can show you right now how you can notice this more. let's let's do a little simple CSS here so you can tell what this is, how this looks. This is what I usually do sometimes when I want to look at things a little more clearly. A little CSS there, and we put some border around it. We should know how to do this if you're looking to build a table. If you don't, go to my site. The link is in the bottom of this video. Command S, Control S, and we refresh it, and now we have a border around the table. This is our table. Okay. We can also have borders all around this, everything in our table, just to look at things better. Like we can have a border around um, TDs or TH separated by a comma. Refresh it, and as you can see there, that's a table. A lot better, right? Okay. Now, as you can see here, the table is separated. Let me just put it closer so you can see. This table here is separated by what I call some padding, right? We can actually take that off by just doing something like this. table collapse. Actually, I think that's the name of it. Table collapse. Is it collapse? Border collapse is the name, and then collapse. All right, and then we refresh it, and all that is gone. Okay, now we have the table. We're making progress, and now we can also go ahead and make the table headings th, open and close curly brackets, and we make the background black on this one so we can, and then we make the text white, and we refresh it. And as you can see here, this is the heading of our table, and this is the body right here. This is the table cells separated by a table row. This is how you make a table in HTML, guys. If you want more tutorials, go to my site, find it in an organized way so that way you don't get lost. Build a foundation on whatever it is that you're learning, and then take it from there. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like the video, guys. If you like it, make a comment if you need something else. And I see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you. Bye bye.